Alóyin lòun dé wálé agbẹ́dẹ́gbẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ o. Sílẹ̀ bàbá wọn ká tán délẹ̀ o. Mi ò ní lọ síbi kan bàbá wọn ká tán délẹ̀. I don't care what they say. Èwo ni kó ló bá torí mo fẹ́ fọ́mọ yín. Èwo ni ti wárántọ̀ visa torí mo fẹ́ fọ́mọ yín. Wọ́n bí mi mo túnra bí èmi gangan làbí sọ́lá mo bọ́lá jí mo jí bọ́lá mo fẹ́ sọ̀kọ̀ bọ́lá ti tó. Sílẹ̀ má bá wọn ká tán délẹ̀. Kó ló bá eléré ò dá o sí ṣàǹsóyà.
Hello, Association of Professional Party Organizers and Event Managers of Nigeria ló ń kí yín káàbọ̀ sí Owambe 4.0 tí a pè ní traditional steez. Hardworking, creative, electrifying, amazing, passionate, and original are the best words to describe APPOEMN members. And guess what? It's party time! This is your girl Queen Mo, your celebrity host, reporting live from the podium, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, for APPOEMN's Owambe 4.0 edition called Traditional Steez. Watch out for the paparazzis, the event industry celebrities, the the incoming and outgoing Excos from this beautiful Owambe event today. Congratulations! Thank you! Everybody just talking about you, the last administrator, they tried. How excited are you that you're handing over?
I give glory to God. I'm super excited. Definitely. I am happy. I feel fulfilled. I feel happy and thankful to God.
APPOEMN 4.0 traditional steez.
What they say. What matters to me is to love her forever. I will do what they say. What matters to me is to love her forever. Oh, I will do what they say. Sílẹ̀ bàbá wọn ká tán délẹ̀. Mi ò ní lọ síbi kan.
Alright guys, I am still on black carpet for APPOEMN's Owambe 4.0 and I'm excited, I'm happy, I have a new president on my black carpet. Mama, make some noise!
I don't care what they say.
Owambe 2025. Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
How excited are you? The new incoming president inauguration, right?
Yes, our inauguration today. Excited to be here. Thank you so much.
Okay, so can you share your vision for APPOEMN for us and all the event industry? Yeah, what's your vision?
The vision at the end of the day for APPOEMN is just to see standards being improved and then making sure we regularize the industry as much as possible.
Owambe 4.0 traditional steez. I have the patron of APPOEMN on my black carpet. Mama, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
You look beautiful, mama.
Thank you. So do you.
How excited are you? APPOEMN is having another big event.
I am so excited to be here. Year after year, they keep outdoing themselves. It's wonderful, a lovely group of people, young minds, old minds alike. Everybody, they're all geniuses in the industry.
Make some noise! How excited are you? You're at this party.
I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited.
What are your expectations for this night?
A lot. A bomb. Boom, as usual.
What would you tell people that are not in APPOEMN?
You are missing. you are missing. This is where to be.
This is where to be, right? What would you tell them?
Like, don't let us tell you what. You are really missing.
So you are going to be part of the new Excos, right? So what should we look out for?
Look out for the best. Look out for great things to happen. We have a lot of things. The new Exco, at least, they are bringing new vibes, and which are, as an old Exco, I feel that okay, we have a lot to do, and then we have a lot coming for everyone. So watch out for the new Exco.
Oh APPOEMN 4.0 Owambe traditional
It's Maestro on the beat, baby.
How are you doing, ma?
I'm fine, thank you.
How excited are you? This is a dream that you started then and now it's going bigger, bigger, bigger. How excited, how fulfilled are you?
I'm overwhelmed. It shows the power of a dream, you know. I'm really overwhelmed and I thank God for actually doing it. Yeah.
APPOEMN Owambe 4.0 traditional tea.
We are so excited about the new incoming executives. We're going to make sure that event world goes viral. APPOEMN is going to really be the in thing in the new year.
APPOEMN Owambe 4.0 traditional tea. How excited are you?
Super excited.
If you are not here, you are.
You are missing out.
If you are not in APPOEMN, you are.
You are God.
Your Excos ever. I can see you enjoying yourself.
Seriously.
Honestly.
Seriously. This is a place to be. This is a place to be. If you are in the event industry and you are not in APPOEMN, you are nowhere. This is the place to be.
APPOEMN Owambe 4.0 la ṣe ń ṣe lọ́wọ́. Ó dẹ̀ ní màmá tó gbẹ̀rù àyè. Màmá tó beautiful yìí kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ màmá?
APPOEMN Owambe.
Orúkọ wà ń bẹ̀.
And everything.
Ó dẹ̀ pọ̀. Kayo Fifi ẹ̀fọ́. Okay guys, I'm excited. It's still Owambe 4.0 traditional stage and I have the Fifi. Mr. Fifi, how you doing?
Awesome. How you doing too?
I'm very fine. It's an inauguration.
Ready for the show?
Yes, Owambe. It's an inauguration today, right? How do you feel?
I feel elated. It's our inauguration. It's a special day for me, for the association and art. Excited to be appointed and elected as the vice president of the association. And such a privilege to serve my people, society and love.
Mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ nínú orin tó ré kọjá ẹni Ọlọ́run fẹ́ lọ́mọ èèyàn fẹ́ ẹ máa yọ́nú sí mi àgbàtọ̀mọdé ẹ máa yọ́nú sí mi o ọkùnrin tóbìnrin ẹ yọ́nú sí mi ẹni bá yọ́nú sí mi ṣọ́jú ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba.
Alright guys, I'm still on black carpet for APPOEMN Owambe 4.0 and I'm excited to have this Ivo team here live from Ali Mosho. They've come to support APPOEMN. Make some noise! These guys are from Ondo State. I'm excited, I'm happy. You're welcome. How is the ambience? How are you feeling our party?
I don't expect less. It is Lagos State and APPOEMN. It is APPOEMN. It is APPOEMN. So yeah, we're here for TIC and here we are here for Owambe again. Wow. So I expect more than what I saw during TIC dinner. And yes, from the red carpet, from the black carpet rather. This is awesome.
So what about you?
This is perfect. This is my first time here, so I think I'm loving this.
Welcome.
I'm loving
Because we're
this.
going to, it's APPOEMN Owambe 4.0 traditional steed. Make some noise for Eto by Abikeme.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
How's business in the past 1 year?
Oh, it's been so wonderful.
Trendy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, APPOEMN Owambe 4.0 traditional steed.
100%.
This party busted my bubble and I'm sure rated a 10 over 10. Fun, class, ambience, live party planning for APPOEMN, and also it's the inauguration of the new Excos 2025-2027. It's been fun and I am excited to have been your black carpet host for this APPOEMN Owambe 4.0. This is Queen Mo signing out from the podium, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Peace out!